How to backup settings to Samsung Cloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accounts and Backup. After click on Accounts and Backup, click on Backup Data. After click on backup data, so if you want to backup settings to Samsung Cloud, you will see some setting is here. Click on turn on settings and click on backup now. After click on backup now, you will see backup settings to Samsung Cloud is done. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can backup settings to Samsung Cloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.